Hey, what's up everyone? This is your Queen Saliste. Alam nyo guys, ina-unbox ko to at naisipan kong mag-i-vlog natin. So, ayan. Dito ako sa mall, sa Sahara Mall, and dito ko naisipan tong buksan. So, this is from J Cosmet. This is a Korean skincare. So, nakabalot siya sa tela na to guys. Nakaganyan siya. And nilagay ko lang sa mesa. Kasi mukhang ganun siya. So let's open and let's unbox. I'm so excited. Come on. Yan. So it's a lot guys. There is a lot of products inside. And meron silang letter. Nakalagay sa letter is, "Hello beautiful, this set has been designed to give your skin a luxurious healthy glow for a radiant everyday look. Discover the essential of Korean beauty with J Cosmetics." So thank you J Cosmetics. So meron silang pinadala na eye mask. Ayan, merong vitamin eye zone mask. So, yeah. This is very good for your under eye area. Para ma-refresh din yung eyes natin. So, meron silang pinadala din ng mga sheet mask. This is to give you a glow booster. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, this is for 1 week. Kasi 7 siya. So, meron silang vitamin C. And this one is snail. This is hyaluron. This is peptide, ceramide, cica, and for the last one is collagen. So, yon. Meron din silang ibinigay na hand cream. Yon. Ayan yung hand cream nila. And let's open what's inside. Yan. Hand cream. So, yon. Put natin sa box. Pero madali natin malikpit kasi nasa all tayo. Actually, mag-order sana ako kaya lang bawal kumain dito sa Sahara dahil Ramadan. So, meron din silang pinadala na honey and vitamin C all bright foam cleanser. So, this is a foam cleanser guys. Ayan. This is for morning time kasi all bright siya. So, it is a honey and vitamin C basic foam cleanser. Alam niyo maganda yung mga foam cleanser kasi mas nalilinis talaga nila yung dirt sa mukha mo. So this one is peeling gel. Peeling gel guys. Honey and vitamin C. So peeling gel naman siya. Ayan. Sige ate, upo ka lang dyan. Upo ka lang. Nahanap mo? And meron din silang pinadala na Skin Solution Brightening Serum. Open natin. Puro vitamin C siya, so pang morning siya. At ayaw magpabukas. Ay, ang ganda ng bottle. Look. Gusto nyo yun? Nasa mall ako nag-unbox. Okay, and last is Skin Solution Brightening Face Cream. Meron na naman tayong mga bagong itatry. Ayan. Vitamin. May vitamin C. And yeah, that's it. This is all from J Cosmet. Ayan. This is a Korean product, guys. And if you want to avail, I will put here their Instagram page, even their TikTok pages guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Snap.